This is so cool, dude. Like, wow. You have the whole world in your backyard. How? And who built all this? Really? You? Well, you got a lot to teach me, bro.
Hey, so, you have any idea how much work goes into this 3D stuff?
Let's break it down.
Model in Blender. Learn low poly but high quality style. Some subdivision surfacing, decimating, deforming, texture mapping, and hand texture painting. Oh, and I hated learning how to bake UV maps. Simple Bake, I love you. Breathe. Relearn DAZ 3D, Puppeteer, Anti-Blocks, OBJs, SPFs, TAEs, optimized rendering, and don't forget to eat. Then I need music, sound effects, themes, stories, voices, all copyright cleared, and hope people actually watch this shit.
Let's break it down.
You take a block and turn it into anything. A piece of wood, a rock, give it a material, export as an OBJ, and import it into DAZ. Yep, DAZ. That's what I was made in. So first, I made my terrain, then I laid my walkway, then I laid my house, my roof, my tree fort, my rocks, trees, flowers, and voila! And of course this world would kinda suck if I was here by myself, so I had to introduce some friends. Me, and...
Hey, what's up, man? You good?
And of course, working with other artists to get some of this great music you're hearing. Do-do-do-do-do, yeah. Then, the sound effects. You know, all the... and the...
Okay, fine.
So after lots and lots of coffees, all-nighters, and about a month later, I have something special to show you. Ready? Let's go.
Like, no. Really, it's time to go. Go. Sorry.
They also tried changing my voice to sound more like a mouse, but I'm not no pipsqueak. Come on, change it back. Change it back. Okay, it sounds... Stop, it's making... Okay, change it back. Is it back?
It's finally my big day. I'm buying my house.
But something looks weird about it. Is it me or... what?
Wow!
Wait, it has a tree fort? I've always wanted my own tree fort. Okay, I'm done being excited. Hey, what's your problem, buddy? Okay, fine. So yeah, that was Peggy. He'll be alright. A tree fort, dude. I have my own tree fort. Here, come sit. Yeah. Bye, eat the up, rip roll. I think eat me like rip roll. Me and me not dig it up, rip roll. I eat rip roll. Wait, I'm not even saying any words, and I kind of need a beat.
Hey, come here. I need you to beatbox for me. Give me like a...
Yeah, ready? I said, this is a song about nothing. I'm showing and proving that nothing can still make it pop. Flow is the truth, undeniable. Stupid is different. I'm gifted. I don't need your props. No gimmicks, no limits. I'm handpicking all of my samples to clubs. Play it like needles, skipping the bass, keeps feeling my soul.
Mickey who? His ears ain't this cute. You can't rap like I do, and I'll steal mini too, yeah.
I can't believe I just made a diss song. I know, I got a lot of catching up to do. Come on, break it down for me. The top one is what? Polaris. Okay, then the next two? Neptune and Uranus. Got it. Then the ones inside the first bubble? That's Saturn and Jupiter? Oh, okay. So then the next one must be... Okay, cool, Mars and Venus. Then inside that one is... That's the sun and moon? And then right in the middle is what? That's Mercury. Oh, this is a lot to learn, bro. This flat earth stuff's complicated. Stop calling it flat earth. What? Geo what? Equidistant azimuthal geocentric earth model. Wow, I'm not saying all that. Just call it what? Geocentric? Okay, got it. Geocentric. Azimuthal pictures of his what? Azimuthal equidistant.
equidistant azimuthal geocentric Earth model. I got it.
Okay, so, you know how we're signed to the Zoo Kids Music Club label and all that?
Dude, Pegley just released his first single. It's already up on Spotify, iTunes, Amazon, blah blah, all that.
I'm getting my first single and whole album ready right now too. So, I need you to feature on it for me, okay? You're gonna do my ad-libs.
Oh yeah, I forgot. People are watching us. Yeah, you guys too. If you have kids, or even if you like this kind of music, please look me up. Zoo Kids Music Club. On Spotify, Amazon, iTunes, Apple, blah blah. Zoo Kids Music Club. And if you do want to drop a comment and like and subscribe and all that, I would love it. Thank you.
Man, I think I just wasted a month of my life. What am I doing with myself? I'm a damn mouse. My friend is a giraffe.
Hey, I heard that.
Oh, sorry, dude.
And a parrot.
Hey, parrots have good ears, you know.
I know. Sorry, dude.
Is it really over?